There are a few different ways to get receipts into your Concur profile. You can email receipts that were received via email to receipts@concur.com. You can take pictures with the mobile app, or you can upload them from your computer. So go ahead and go to the expense module, and then you're going to scroll down to the available receipts section. Anything that you've already loaded or sent via email or taken pictures with the mobile app will be in this section as a thumbnail. So here's a perfect example of one that's already been loaded. If you want to browse for one on your computer, you're going to select Upload Receipt Image. You're going to grab from your computer, wherever you've saved, and then it will be here available in your receipts to attach to an expense in one of your expense reports. So let's go take a look at how that happens. So if we select our expense report that we're working on, while we're in a particular expense, we can click this Attach Receipt Image, and a couple different things will happen. Again, if you haven't preloaded your receipts, you can just upload a receipt image and browse to your computer where you've saved it, just like we did in the last step. You can do that here at this point, or it will show you the thumbnails of all the receipts that you have added, and you're going to select the right one that's related to this particular expense and click Add Receipt. If it's not the right one, in this case I've loaded the wrong receipt, I'm going to click Detach, yes, and now I'm going to pick the correct receipt this time and attach it. As you can see, I can also append, so maybe there's a second or third page I can add until I get this receipt support complete, and then save the expense